Hello, once again, welcome to my channel, Stinger's World. And for today, my video is about the unboxing of this Gundam Factory Yokohama RX-78F00 Gundam. This is a Gundam Yokohama exclusive, and shout out to Jainil Sikat and his wife for buying me this kit. And let's get started. First of all, let's look at the box, and on the front we could see a very good graphics of the RX-78F00. This is by the way cross silhouette SD Gundam. Here is the other side, and the other side. Okay. Let's open. And by the way, this kit costs around 1,320 yen in total. And of course, we have our manual. It's the usual manual for the SD accordion type. And there we could see the parts. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 runners and 1 sticker. And here are the instructions. So this is a cross silhouette. If you buy the frame for the cross silhouette, you could convert it from a standard SD to a cross silhouette HD, which is a much better proportion. Okay. And here are the runners. And we also have the exclusive plastic from Gundam base Yokohama. Okay, let's open. So this is the sticker. It's a very common sticker for the SD Gundams Gunpla kit. This is for the shield, for the eyes, for the crutch. Some maybe for the scope of the rifle. And this is the runner for the hands. So it's the typical runner for the SD. They are fixed hands, and unfortunately they are hollow at the back. This saves plastic. And this is the runner A2, the gray part, and this forms the semi frame for the for this Gundam. Okay. And this is runner B. As you can see, there's a good panel lining for this one. Even on the sole of the feet, there's very good panel lining. And the backpack. The rifle comes in 2 parts. This and this part. And the last runner is runner C, and that's the V-fin, very big V-fin. And these are the head parts. These are the feet, the crotch, and the shoulder, and the saber. This is for the face mask, and of course the shield. So this is an exclusive Gunpla kit that you could only buy if you go to the Yokohama Gundam Docks Gunpla Center. And that's it for the unboxing. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified on my next Gunpla videos. And if you like my video, please click like and share this video. Thank you. Have a good Gunpla day. Bye.